Hey everyone, did you know you've got a superpower? Seriously, every single time you speak or write something down, you're using this incredible power to share ideas, ask questions, and show exactly how you feel. And in this explainer, we're going to learn how to become total masters of that power. Ready? Let's jump in. So let me ask you something right off the bat. Do all sentences really do the same job? I mean, think about it for a second. Is telling your friend what you did yesterday the same as asking them what you should do tomorrow? What do you think?
You got it. Of course not. Sentences are basically a team of superheroes, and each one has its own special, unique power and its own mission. And today, we're going to meet the whole crew.
All right, it's time to meet our incredible team of sentence superheroes. These are the guys who make all of our language work. They help us tell amazing stories, ask clever questions, and even shout with excitement. Let's meet them.
First up, meet the storyteller. This hero's main power is just to state a fact or give some information. It's probably the sentence you use the most, like when you say, "The sky is blue." See? Just a simple fact. And it always finishes the job with its classic move, a period.
Next, we have the detective. This hero is always on the case, asking questions, digging for clues. You can spot a detective sentence from a mile away because of its signature finishing move, the question mark. It's always trying to figure something out, like, who ate the last cookie? And here comes the commander. This hero is all about action, giving orders, making requests, and telling people what to do. You know, like when your parents say, "Clean your room." It's a command, whether it's polite or direct. And it usually ends its mission with a period, just like our old friend, the storyteller. And last, but definitely not least, is the energizer. This hero is all about big feelings. Excitement, surprise, shock. That's the energizer's territory. And you can always spot it by its finishing move, that powerful exclamation mark. Like when you shout, "That was amazing!" But hold on, it gets even cooler. Did you know that these sentence superheroes can actually transform? Yeah, let's check out how a regular storyteller sentence can morph into a super sleuth detective sentence. It's kind of like magic. Okay, take a look here. On the left, we have a simple storyteller sentence. The girls were reading silently. Pretty straightforward. Now look over to the right. It's a detective sentence. Were the girls reading silently? See the difference? What's the one tiny change that gives the sentence a completely new power? So, how do you pull off this transformation yourself? It's actually super easy. First, you just find the helping verb. That's a word like is, are, or were, and you move it right to the front. And what if there isn't a helping verb? No problem. You just add the word do or does to the beginning. That's the whole secret. Ready for another awesome transformation? Let's see how we can take a calm, normal statement and turn it into an exciting shout. It's time to help the storyteller power up and become the energizer. Check this out. It was a wonderful holiday. That's a nice sentence, but it's a little quiet, right? Now look at the energizer version. What a wonderful holiday it was. Whoa, see how much more punch and excitement that has? It really makes you feel it. So how do you create your own energizer sentence? Well, it's all about using special power-up words at the start. If you're talking about a thing, a noun, you start with what a. You know, like, what a cool car. But if you're just describing something with an adjective, you use the word how. Like, how awesome is that? Wow, you've learned a ton today. So now it's time to put it all together so you can become a true sentence superhero. Think of this as your official cheat sheet to help you master all your new powers. Let's do a quick roll call. The storyteller states a fact. The detective asks a question. The commander gives an order. And the energizer brings all the big feelings. You got it. 4 heroes, 4 special jobs. And now you know exactly how to use every single one of them. And just like that, you are now a master of the sentence superheroes. You've met the whole team, you've learned all their powers, and you even know their secret transformations. The power of every single sentence is now in your hands. So the only real question left is, with all this new power, what will you say next?